Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world. And welcome back to Homemaking with Bethany, where we do all things home, family, and life. If you like what you see or enjoy what you hear, please hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and new news, I love you. I appreciate you for rocking with me through it all. I'm proud of you and I'm so glad that you're here. Now, you know what it is and you know what we do. Let's get it.
To be seen.
So we're getting our new bed today on this day, and we had to take everything out and get rid of it. Now the bed we got was, for lack of a better word, a Craftmatic bed. It did not fit inside the frame like we had wanted. We did downsize, so we got a queen instead of a king, so there was a lot of space. So you won't see the bed without the frame, you'll see the bed in the frame. And then later on that day we took the frame apart and got rid of it and threw it out and got rid of all of this.
You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now.
Hello, besties. I went to Aldi's and there I picked up these mint striped fudge cookies, some breakfast blend coffee, the Chick-fil-A nugget dupes, peppermint mocha coffee creamer, 2 of the breakfast bites French toast meatballs. These are delicious. I picked up liquid egg whites to add to the eggs, gives me a little bit more, and some French toast cinnamon bites. Also, I think this is a pound, a little over a pound of ground meat. Cheesy breadsticks, pizza for the husband for lunch, 2 dozen eggs, and a thing of the kettle chips. That's the flavors. I had to go to, I didn't have to. I went to Ollie's and I picked up 2 queen sets because we now have a queen bed and not a king. So I'm going to throw these in the wash and put them on the bed. I picked up a valance for the bathroom window. And I picked me up a notebook. It says God is everywhere, so pray anywhere. So I'm gonna just my notebook to keep my notes, to do stuff and everything like that. From Marshall's, I picked up this 2-liter canister. I'm gonna put my rice in it here and use my container there. Put our what's that stuff called again? Those chips and stuff. I'm going to put those back in there. But I'm going to use this for the rice. I also picked up 6 more of those containers so that I can make the kids the iced tea bottles. I also picked up this. It's a 3-pack organizer, but I'm going to use it to organize my utensils that are in the drawer. And I also picked up this for the dishes. Not for the dishes, for the sink. I was like, that's that cute. And then finally, from Five Below, I picked up this wallet thing. I don't know, but I'm going to make me a cute little keychain with it. This is an atomizer for a perfume. This is for, to add to this, making me a little keychain. And the little purse bag to go with it. I picked the kids up some Hello Panda chocolate. And I got me a Sprite to drink. And I also went to Office Max or Office Depot and picked up some ink for my printer. And that is all for the haul. Let's put it away.
So don't leave. Spare me this feeling now. But it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. stream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me with.
Hello, besties. Grocery haul. I went to Walmart. We got the Family Fun Mix 42 count. You see the flavors. And we also got another one. Similar, but different flavors. The double 18 count eggs. A loaf of bread. A loaf of the cinnamon roll. Cinnamon raisin bread. 2 things of hamburger buns, a bag of sour cream and onion chips, 3 of the Snack Builders pepperoni pizza Lunchables, and the cheese and crackers and ham. Ham, turkey. There's ham and turkey, but there's a bunch of them there. The Chick-fil-A dupes. These are the original crispy chicken mega fillets made by Banquet. Again, you want a Chick-fil-A dupe. That's what this is. Got 2 ranch dressing. 1 of the Polynesian Chick-fil-A. And then the honey mustard Chick-fil-A. Some mayonnaise. Of course, pickles, because everybody likes pickles. A thing of Baby Bell cheese. Macaroni. Hummus macaroni salad. The Craveables cheese and crackers, and these are the Craveable combos with cashews, cranberries, and cheese. Gatorade for husband, because he can have this until I think 2 o'clock in the morning before his surgery. We got the Captain Wafer grilled cheese, and we also got peanut butter and cheddar cheese crackers. I think those are, whatever. Some family size cheddar cheese mix, 2 of the Minute Maid juices, berry and fruit, peach and strawberry yogurt. I needed some jewelry cleaner. Got some heart salami, some Salisbury steak Michelinas. I got some sour cream, shrimp for husband, 2 bell pepper, 1 onion, sliced cheese, string cheese, pepperoni, monster cheese, better cheddar bratwurst. This was ham, and these 2 are turkey. I got a pot roast, a bag of butter lettuce, 2 pizzas, 1 supreme, and the other one is chicken bacon ranch. The Land O'Lakes honey butter and regular butter. Pepsi. The Sprite Chill, which is cherry lime. The 7-Up Tropical, 7-Up Cherry. There is a 40 count case of water. The Nesquik chocolate milk. And 2 of the distilled waters for me and hubby CPAP machine. And that's all for the haul. Let's put it away. Hey, my besties. Really fast, tiny grocery haul. I went to Aldi's and I picked up Pop-Tarts, fruit snacks, strawberry applesauce, regular applesauce, hot and honey. This goes good on fried chicken. Creamer for myself. 2 of the sweet turkey bites and the regular beef bites for husband. Garden vegetable spread. They also have a jalapeno spread. Cream cheese, butter, syrup. 3 things of sausages. I picked up some ice cream cones for the kiddos. Everything bagels for husband. Maple bacon. This was $1 off, and they're just brioche bagels. And of course, some large croissants for myself. And that is all for this very tiny haul from Aldi's. Let's put it away.
Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as
I did all of this while hubby was in surgery. On this day, which was Friday, I moved everything, rearranged it, and it came out so nice and it looks so much more cozy and homey. I hope you enjoy the afters when we get to it. We're pretty much at the end of the video. There's about 4 or 5 minutes left. If you enjoyed what you see and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and my new news, y'all already know how I feel about you. I love you to the moon and back, and I love you to life, and I'm so glad that you're here with me. And I appreciate everyone who prayed for my husband during his surgery. It was successful. He's home, he's resting, and we're getting it together, and we're going to enjoy our little mini vacation together before he has to get back to work. I love all of y'all. I appreciate you, and I will catch you in the next one.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here, 'cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not.
Ignore the desk. She's a mess. She'll get cleaned later. I just had to get everything moved for hubby coming home from his surgery.
Afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. safe haven of conversation, where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean, if only through pictures and memes. Years together run deep in the glow of our screens. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy.